My boss laughed while firing me, but 3 weeks later he was begging me to come back. I worked overtime for 2 years without a single complaint. Then one Friday, my boss fired me in front of the entire office, just to impress the new manager. He smirked and said, "You're easily replaceable." I didn't argue. I simply handed over my laptop and walked out. What he didn't know? I was the only person who knew how to maintain the company's custom software. I had documented everything, but he ignored every email I sent offering to train someone. 2 weeks later, the system crashed. Orders stopped. Clients left. The company reportedly lost over $250,000 before they figured it out. Then my phone rang. It was my old boss. He offered me my job back with a raise. I smiled and accepted a consulting contract that charged 5 times my old hourly rate. Turns out, I wasn't as replaceable as he thought. Would you have gone back? Comment yes or no.